love you, I thank you. I 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 love you, I thank you.
According to today's lifestyle, every one of us at home, office, colleges and schools or traveling are facing a constant struggle in our daily routine. Apart from these, there is also air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, contamination of foods that we also suffer. Due to this, we lack mental peace, give way to sickness, spoil our immune system, increase diseases like diabetes, high BP, cholesterol, thyroid problems, knee and joint problems, asthma, unusual weight gain, getting tired easily, lack of sleep, hair fall, and many more of such type of health issues. In such a lifestyle, to help safeguard a body from sicknesses and disease, Divine Noni is going to be very helpful to you and your health. And with its use, you are sure to live a healthier lifestyle. Noni is a fruit from the plant Mirinda citrifolia L. And this fruit has its origin rooted in India. In Sanskrit, this is known as Ayushka, which means elixir of life. This fruit has more than 160 micronutrients, essential vitamins, minerals, amino acids, antioxidants, alkaloids, and fatty acids are also present in this product. Noni fruit has unique cleansing and rejuvenating properties that are health-enhancing attributes. Antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, analgesic, anti-blockage, cancer-inhibiting. Such synergetic effects are present in the noni fruit. This helps improving the antibody cells and enhances the resistance power and safeguards our body from diseases. The extremely beneficial Divine Noni is a product of Wellness Noni Limited, is a specialized product in a unique way. Mixed with the noni fruit to enhance health benefits are a lot of essential herbs. Due to this, it provides total benefits to one and all. Causing harm to the body are chemical fertilizers and pesticides that are avoided, and organically grown Divine Noni fruits are used in preparing Divine Noni. It is backed by extensive research, guided by the Research Advisory Board that consists of 11 vice chancellors and eminent scientists. With a reason, everyone lives a healthy, happy, and wealthy life with the intention to create a world of wellness. Divine Noni is made. Divine Noni makes healthy people to live healthier and the sick people to become healthy, and it's a superfood. Lakhs and crores of people all over the world using Divine Noni every day are experiencing amazing results of well-being. In their day-to-day hectic lives, they are experiencing a healthy and better life. You will experience the effect of Divine Noni if not within few days, but definitely within few weeks or in few months, undoubtedly you will experience its health benefits. A healthy and happy life if you wish to have, then by choosing Divine Noni as your health mate, you can enjoy a high quality life and rejoice to the maximum. Divine Noni that is made from a special fruit is also a superfood. Divine Noni for the healthy people and for the sick people is a complete food. You would have seen diabetes, blood pressure, knee and joint pain, heart diseases and cancer, tuberculosis, asthma and indigestion, kidney diseases, menstrual problems, obesity, paralysis, hair fall, headache and toothache, scabies, itches and boils, and such skin diseases, cold cough, stomach pain and then stomach ulcers. People suffering from such ailments have been consuming Divine Noni regularly, which is a food for body cells. Divine Noni is not a medicine, but it's a food for the cells of our body. Only when our cells are going to remain healthy will our body and its parts stay healthy. Consume Divine Noni and lead a healthy life. Consume Divine Noni daily and experience wellness, think good, and lead a pleasant life. My dearest friends, now you and your family would undoubtedly be very, very happy to have known about our product Divine Noni, who is your true helper to a healthier, happier, and joyful life. Undoubtedly, Divine Noni is a wonderful shield to mankind, and you would agree to this yourself. To immediately get this product, Divine Noni is the best food for body cells, and when you purchase one bottle, you will also receive a cup. For the first 3 days of use, take 5 ml of Divine Noni in the measuring cup and mix it with either a small glass of plain water or fresh juice and consume it twice daily. And then on days 4, 5 and 6, take 10 ml of Divine Noni and mix it with a small glass of plain water or fresh juice and consume it twice daily. From the 7th day onwards, take 15 ml of Divine Noni and mix it with a small tumbler of plain water or juice and consume it twice daily.
I love Divine Noni.
In the morning, when you first drink it, make sure you have it half an hour before eating anything else, that is empty stomach. And second time, when you have to drink Divine Noni in the night, have it half an hour before your dinner. In the days of winter, drink Divine Noni mixed with hot water or lukewarm water. And on the days of summer, mix it with cold water or fresh juice and consume it. Divine Noni is beneficial to all, be it a small child or for the old age. There are no side effects of it or there are no after effects of the product. And the best part is that there is no need for dieting.
I love Divine Noni.